Kelsey.
And we're reporting live from Channel 9.
Metal's gonna shine, 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 shine. Also malleable, too. They won't even burn. It's metals, it's metals, Non-metal's gonna break.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to be talking about today is metals. Metals is probably one of the ones you're most familiar with. Metals cover about 75% of the periodic table. There are about 88 elements that are metals. The metals are right here in the red. And metals are known for conducting electricity and heat. Some examples are that they're strong, hard, and malleable.
So the next thing that we're going to be talking about is non-metals. Non-metals take up 15% of the periodic table, which is this green part right here, right up in this corner. Non-metals are the exact opposite of metals. So if you know everything about metals and got that down pat, you should know everything about non-metals because it is literally the exact opposite. Non-metals are non-conductors, which means they don't conduct electricity whatsoever. They're actually considered insulators, which stop electricity. That's what you see on plugs and on the walls, so you don't electrocute yourself, for some people out there. They are very dull in appearance and extremely brittle. Some are solid, but many of them are gases. Some of the examples are oxygen, which we use to breathe every single day, and neon, which is extremely brightly colored, and if you saw it, you'd probably know it. Some other ones are the solids, which are carbon and iodine. Alright, last but not least, we have metalloids. Metalloids take up the rest of the periodic table that we haven't discussed already. It's this purple zigzag line right here. It has the least amount of elements, but it's definitely not the least important. Metalloids are elements with properties in between, or are kind of a mixture of, metals and nonmetals. They don't have a distinct appearance, but an example could be it looks like a metal, but it's extremely brittle. They're similar to nonmetals in chemical behavior, and they're usually solids under standard conditions. Some examples would be boron, silicon, and arsenic. Thanks!
Okay, so now we hope you have a better understanding on metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Thanks for tuning in!